5 benefits of mint. Mint is an aromatic herb with more than a dozen varieties, like peppermint and spearmint. Used for its flavor in many dishes and drinks, it is also used for its health benefits. 1. It helps relieve indigestion. Indigestion occurs when the stomach is full and takes a long time to digest food. Studies show that food is digested faster when mint is consumed, thus relieving stomach discomfort. 2. It improves cold symptoms. Many medicines for the common cold contain mint oils in the ingredients. For many people, mint gives them the sensation of congestion relief, helping them breathe better. 3. It could improve brain function. Eating mint and inhaling its aroma benefits the brain, improving memory and concentration. Studies have demonstrated that it also lowers anxiety and fatigue. 4. It helps with bad breath. Researchers have highlighted the antibacterial effects of mint oils, which is why drinking mint tea or chewing the leaves helps diminish bad breath. 5. It alleviates migraine discomfort. Mint is known for its calming properties and could alleviate inflammation associated with migraine headaches. Mint's fresh aroma is also a quick and effective remedy for nausea. Because it is found on almost every continent, from America to Oceania, it is truly a cosmopolitan plant. Tell us about your favorite recipes in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.